Hi, this is Dave Adams, the E-mini trading professor. I just looked over the market today. I haven't seen any good trades. So I kind of thought I'd show you some of the things that I don't like when I see certain markets react in a certain way, and things to watch out for and not try to trade. Of course, make sure you read our disclaimer. There's plenty of important information there. Hi, this is D. Adams, E-mini professor. Just looking at the charts today, I thought I'd show you what we don't like, and I can show you. Let me move this out of the way. You can see today is a great day where there's really not a very well established trend in in any direction. You got some smallish kind of trends here, but what you really hate to see is green, red, red, green, green, red, green, red, green, green, red, red, green. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, and it's really being reflected, in the way the charts are traded. Additionally, the volume has been a little low today. I just think a lot of traders are just confused about where the market's headed. There's a lot of world events right now that are very confusing, and the trade it's just thrashing around. And while I'll continue to watch it, throughout the course of the day, this is a good example of where you do get some buying signals from time to time, but they're really they're not good signals at all. We've been since 10 o'clock, between 1078 and 1086, 6 points, and that's a pretty tough road to hoe. You can see right here there's a bunch of support, and which may become resistance right through here. Most everything stopped right here about 1082, and just stayed within that range. So I really wanted to show you, the kind of markets that, when you see these, it's tough sledding. It's tough to make any money, just because there's just not enough momentum to go any certain way. Let me watch this a second. This thing's moving down a little bit, but it looks like it's going to stop right at 1082 too, but we'll find out. It's frustrating too. As a trader, your basic goal is to trade, but you have to have enough discipline that you don't find yourself in trades that are unprofitable. And it just looks like a tough day to really yank any profits out of anything. There, it's right at 1082. Let's just see what it's got to do. I don't know if you've ever read much about what I trade at the close of bars, not during the middle of bars. So I really, to my way of thinking, the only thing that's really important is, where the bar, where the bar opened and where it closed. We might be seeing a little afternoon momentum. The tick isn't showing too much. Is it minus 400? Which is market noise, and we don't trade market noise. There's a push a little lower. I don't know if it'll sustain it. And the kind of the problem is here, I got everything saying short, but the market kind of has been in, kind of an uptrend. I mean, it's moved up, about 10 points in the last couple of hours, and I don't really have too much confidence where it's going to go anywhere. Well, this is certainly right. We're looking at one of the better moves of the afternoon, but I still wouldn't call it very tradable. Eased up again, back towards 1082 of this bar, and off we go the other way. Well, I've seen enough just for this little period. I hope that helps a little bit. Again, the markets, it looks like this are very, very tough to trade, and this is a good example of why they're so tough to trade. That helps. Have a great day. Well, as you can see, it was kind of a dreary day, and the point is, I like to see people try to avoid trading those really choppy markets, and when you have a lot of lack of direction in the market, you got a lot of green and red bars, and there's really no rhyme or reason to just exactly why the market's moving in the way it is. Right now, there's just a lot of confusion that the market's going to have to sort through here, and it will work through it eventually. But right now, it's kind of a mess, to be honest with you. Again, and I'd sure invite you to come to our site at learntotradeinvest.com with a whole bunch of hyphens in between it. You can sign up for these free videos or our course. Again, I'd like to thank everybody who signed up so far. We're having a good go of it, and hope to see you there. Have a great day.